Now, the screen is visible to you.
Yeah. Yeah. Your screen is visible to me.
Now, here we can start the configurations. What is the company code we created? CFP9, right?
Yes.
I'm audible.
Yeah, you are audible. CFP9.
Yes. So now the definition part we are completed successfully. We are moving to the assignment part. In this assignment part, what we are doing, let us see one by one. Here you can open SAP as usually. And moreover, yesterday the person who is giving the server is not available. Today
Okay.
he is available. I can send the credentials. So you can enter your credentials in your MacBook. I mean to say in SAP server.
Yeah, sure.
For example, if you are not understanding, you can take the technical support in any other person, like in
Yeah,
US or
okay.
something.
Yeah, okay.
Because these credentials, it will be different. Like, for example, the credentials, how it will be you receive, I will explain here. For suppose you can see this type of credential you will receive. Something here, SAP FICO,
Okay.
like application server, instance number, this type of
Mhm.
credentials you will receive. Now here you
Okay.
can click on connection button and you can enter all these things. Click on finish button. Then you will see this type of narration. Then double click and you can enter the user ID and password what you receive. Okay, the simple way.
Okay. Yeah,
The
okay.
simple way we are following. Now
Yeah.
just continue here. Now here I'm entering the user ID and password. Now we are going to SPRO. Click on IMG button. So the enterprise structure. In this enterprise structure assignment part, financial accounting. So assign company code to company, assign company code to credit control area, assign business area to consolidation. So this
Okay.
configuration totally depends upon the company code. So it means
Okay.
every configuration from today onwards, we are assigning to the company code. Every configuration we are assigning to the company code. So
Okay.
just you can forget about the company name from here onwards.
Okay.
Each and
So
everything,
yeah,
yeah,
everything is linked with the I mean, yeah, now we need to, yeah, mainly we will focus on company code right here.
exactly. And
Yeah.
moreover, in the ECC server or S/4HANA server, what is the advantage here?
Mhm.
When we are comparing with the other servers, when we are comparing
Okay.
with the other servers, this is very
Mhm.
user friendly. How it is user friendly here, I will explain. For suppose you don't know about the enterprise structure, you don't know about the
Okay.
enterprise structure. You have, for example, you have a zero knowledge on behalf of this. In those
Mhm.
situations, we have a documentation tab is available. Click it once. Now here, why we are using, how we are using, for what purpose you are using, everything is available.
Okay.
It's a user friendly.
Okay.
Even though I mean to say who are completed the degree student, I mean to say the who is did the graduation, he can easily understand this language.
Oh, yeah.
So why we are using? What do you mean by the enterprise structure? So this is R by 3 system. So it's help to the company structure. Different accounting, logistics, human resources, organizations, units are provided. So each and everything. So why we are maintaining? So if I am not
Mhm.
maintaining, what will happen? So it on which basis? What is the terminology we are using? Each and everything here they clearly mention. So
Okay.
when we are comparing with the other ECC servers or ERP servers, we don't have this much of.
Got it.
They won't provide this type of theoretical part in anywhere.
Okay.
But this is the biggest advantage. See, for every navigation, we have a documentation tabs is available for everything. For
Okay.
everything. So, for example, why I'm assigning to company code to company, you can go with the
Mhm.
documentation. So, why it
Yeah.
is necessary? You must first complete the steps, company code, and create company.
Create
So
company.
in
Yeah.
this step, assign the company code which you want included the group of accounting in a company. So assign the company codes to a company. So each and everything, it is designed with a user friendly. So why credit control area? So the credit control area, why we are creating? See, assign each company to credit control area is required. Ensure that appropriate credit limit is specific credit control areas and individual customers. So we discussed in the last session like why the credit control area is required. You asked this question
Yeah.
in earlier.
Yes. Yes.
You
Yeah.
asked this question. So why we are doing this one? So because this is the reason to customer point of view. So you determine the credit limit via as per account receivables area mean. So it means each and everything it is designed. It's a very user friendly.
Yeah.
Now continue assign company code to company. Take position. Our company code CFP9.
Mm-hmm.
The company what we created that is also CFP9. Chetan puts private limited. Now save this.
Okay.
Now the next one. Assign company code to credit control area. So same process. Just like you can take a CFP9 and enter here the credit control area also CFP9. Save
Okay.
this. Now the next consolidation business area. So this consolidation business area, how it will be just like what is the business we are started for what purpose we are started. We are giving to the configuration to the system. Like we have a
Okay.
different types of business structures is available. Like food
Mm-hmm.
industry is available, manufacturing industry is available, automobile industry is available, vehicle industry is available. So different industries is available in the market. So based on that,
Okay.
for which industry we are doing to do or for which industry we are making some products, it is a wholesaler or retailer, each and everything we are assigning to our business area with the consolidation business
Okay.
area. FP9. So here we have a different consolidation business areas. See, almost we have 213 entries. So in real time, you won't see 213 entries. Only you will see 4 or 5. That's it.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
Because what happened, the people, I mean to say, the students, when they are doing practice, they are creating number of scenarios.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So that's why we are seeing like a consolidation business area 1331, consolidation business area 144. We don't have any differences, but they are creating. How it is saving or
Yes.
not, they
Yes.
are testing.
Yeah.
So here we have a mechanical engineering consolidation business. See, number of times it is repeating consolidation business area, consolidation business area. Here also. So almost out of the 230, the consolidation
Mm-hmm.
business area is repeating for 100 times.
Yeah.
So that means we don't have that much of consolidation business areas is available in real time.
Yeah. Yeah.
So based on that, here what is the business we are doing? Chetan Foods Private Limited, our company. So that's why
Yeah.
here we can choose consumer food items. Consumer food items.
Yeah.
Now save this.
Got it.
Then go back. So in a definition, you can see here we have a financial accounting, and here we have a maintain consolidation business area. So this maintain
Yes.
consolidation business area, once if you are creating here, like here also we can create. Like here I'm creating CFP9. If I'm doing the biscuits
It's
manufacturing
manufacturing.
for what?
Okay.
CFP9. It means how the
Yeah.
students they are creating, I'm explaining here.
Yeah. Yeah.
So now this CFP9 is available in our consolidation business area, where in assignment part, here we have
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
assign business area consolidation. Let's take position CFP9. Now here you can select from the drop-up box. Now tell me what I was created the consolidation, what I gave the code.
CFP9, right? So it's like for the food for I mean the food.
Just now what I was created for
Uh,
biscuits.
uh, yeah, yeah.
For,
If yes, biscuits for
see,
I mean
CFP9 I was created. Now here it is available or
yes,
not. This is the way they
yes,
are
yes,
created.
yes, yes, yes.
So either you can select from the default or you can create like this. That is my intention.
Oh, okay, okay.
Are you getting my point?
Yeah, I am getting it.
So here you can save this. It means as per default also you can select or you can create.
Okay, okay.
The functionality area we are calling our credit control area. So once we did the assignment part, now we are going to the next level. So our enterprise structure configuration we are successfully completed. Now we will go with the T codes. Now tell me what is the T codes I was explained for the backend settings. Tell me one by one. I will show you which scenarios here it is opening one by one. Then we will go for the next
Ah,
configuration.
yeah, for the backend, you said like OX15.
Yeah, one by one. OX15.
Oh,
So this OX15 is create a company. You can write down. Create a company. Write down.
just a minute, just a minute.
Next T code.
OX15 define a company. So OX02.
This is creation of the company code.
Oh, okay.
See, for your better understand purpose, some of the examples I gave you as a T codes, but today we are discussing these T codes where it is available. That's it.
Yes, yes.
Then you will get some idea where we are using, how we are using. That's it. Next, what is the T code? Third one,
OBC4.
OBC4. See, write down immediately on your notebook.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Yeah, I am writing.
So this OBC4, it is a field status variable.
Oh,
Field status
field
variable.
studies. Okay.
The next,
Okay, okay. So OBD4.
OBD4.
Yeah.
So OBD4, GL account group creation. Account group creation you can write down.
GL.
Account group.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Account group.
So like account group creation, right?
Creation. Next,
So OBA7.
OBA7. So this OB7 document types.
Document types. And then OB57.
It's not OB57. Right.
Yeah, yeah.
So assign tolerance to user. Assign tolerance to user.
Assign tolerance to user. Okay, so
Then
GSP, and then this
see
underscore
okay.
LZ2.
GSP underscore LZ2.
Yeah.
So here it is for the another T code. I missed to say existing company code I am opening here for your better understand
Oh,
purpose.
okay, okay, okay.
See, this is for document splitting.
Oh, document
This is for
splitting.
document splitting. Then next
Splitting, and then OBB0.
OB
B, oh yeah, OBBO.
OBB4. So
I
this
think
is cross client.
it's
It's not a
OBBO. Yeah, okay, cross client.
it's OBBO.
Yeah.
OBBO.
Yeah.
So this OBBO posting periods.
Oh,
Creation
posting
of the
period.
posting period variant.
Period.
Creation of the posting period variant. Here you can see
Okay.
on top of the screen.
Yeah, define. Yeah, posting period
The
variants. Yeah.
next
Yeah, and then OBBP.
OBBP. See, assign company code to posting periods variant. Assign company
Assign
code to posting periods variant.
company code to posting period variant.
Then next
And then OBA3.
OBA3.
Yeah,
So this OBA3 customer and vendor tolerance. Activation of
customer
customer and vendor tolerance.
vendor tolerances. Okay. Yeah, that's what you said.
So what is the T codes I gave as example? Each and T
Mm-hmm.
code it will be covered up to our completion of the backend settings. You can check it one by one.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, okay.
It won't go with the order wise, but I gave some T codes. Now those T codes
Yes.
is covering in the navigation or not, you can check it.
Okay, okay.
So now the next configuration we are going to the financial accounting. So whenever you are getting those navigations, just you can tick mark on the T code. Then you will better
Yeah,
understand.
sure, sure. Yeah, sure.
So it is covered or not, you can check it.
Yeah.
So in this financial accounting, we are doing the settings, like one is a field status variant. See, one T code has came here.
Field status variant. Okay.
Another one is fiscal year variant.
Mm-hmm.
See, the fiscal year variant is nothing but it's a financial year.
Okay.
Terminology a little bit different. Fiscal year variant,
Yeah.
one is field status variant, fiscal year variant. Then next, here we have posting periods,
Oh, yeah.
define
Okay.
posting periods variant,
Mm-hmm.
define posting periods variant.
Okay.
Now we have, after define posting periods variant, we are going to the open closing posting periods, open and closing posting periods.
Closing posting periods. Okay.
Along with, we are doing account types. After account types, we are going to the document types.
Mm-hmm.
So these scenarios we are doing under financial accounting.
Okay.
So the first one, we are going to the field status. So this field status variant is nothing but the technical team, they're already created a program to select the field status group. Almost they were created 53 entries here. Now these 53 entries, 100% we require in our company code. So that's why they generated in this field status variant one code, that is 1000 we can talk. It's a code, it's not an amount, it's a code. So
Okay.
1000. Now, what is the program they were created? For that program, they enter the 1000 as a code to save the data.
Okay.
Are you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So now this 1000, we can simply assign to our company code. Then automatically, what are the configuration the technical team they were created, we can see in our company
Got it.
without creation. That is the advantage. Now let's move the
Okay.
field status variant. As usual, we are going to SPRO. Click on IMG button. Here we have. See,
Mm-hmm.
the enterprise structure we did. We are moving to the financial accounting view. So here we are
Yeah.
seeing the two options. One is financial accounting. Another one is financial accounting view. So here the server what we are using, that is ECC server. In this ECC server, this is the latest update.
Okay.
This is the oldest one.
Okay.
So when it is upgraded in ECC, this is the new configurations we are finding in ECC. But in S4HANA, you won't see two financial accountings. Only one financial
Oh,
accounting you
okay.
will see in S4HANA. That is the difference.
Okay. Okay.
But same configurations. Financial
Okay.
accounting new. Here global settings new. Now here we have the ledgers. Expand this. Here we have a fields. Expand this. Now define field status variant. Execute this. Now this field status variant, how it is useful? Go with the documentation. See, in this activity, you can define edit field status variant and groups. You group several field status groups together in one field status variant. You assign field status variant to a company code on the activity, assign company code to field status variant. This allows to work with the same field status group in number of company codes. It means for one field status group, you can use number of companies.
Okay.
So the standard settings field status variant, the standard 1001 is entered in a company code, is the standard SAP software. So just now what we are discussing 1000, this 1000 also you can use, or 001 also you can use. Both it will work.
Yeah. And depend
Both it
upon
will
our
work.
comfort. Yeah. Yeah.
So, and the thing, there are other factors besides the field status group itself, which have an influence on the field status variant. Among there, the status optional entry field was assigned the posting keys 40 and 50 along with this standard system. These are the standard posting keys, dual accounting posting. That means the field status group, why we are using to post the entries purpose, it will help in the backend itself.
Okay.
So the activities, create new field status group or edit. If you want to edit these data, we can edit, no problem. Look at the standard field status group, that is 1000. So this is for ready for input. Just now what I said, we are not creating the program. This is ready for input.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
So that's why the field status variant, here we have 100. Even though you can select 001 also, nothing will happen. Both are same.
Okay.
And here we are seeing 337 entries. We won't see
Mm-hmm.
337 entries in real time. Only one field status variant, that is 001 or 100. That's it. These are the standard
Oh,
keys.
okay.
The remaining, the students, they are copied this configuration. That's it.
Okay, got it.
For their convenience, they copy. That's it. So either
Okay.
you can assign 001 or 1000. That is our convenience again. Now,
Mm-hmm.
if you want to rename this 1000 as based on our company code, also we can do it. Just like you can see,
Oh,
for example, 1000, copy. This is the way we are copying. Now
yeah,
enter button.
okay.
Copy all the data. It means we are not creating this. Either you can copy or simply you can assign 1000 your company.
Got it.
So almost 50 entries has been copied. Now save this. So here you have two options. Either standard
Mm-hmm.
code you can assign 1000 or you can assign CFP. That is our comfort
Okay.
zone.
Yeah, got it.
Now assign company code to field status variant. Take position CFP9. Now tell me, either we can enter CFP9 or 1000.
We can enter CFP9. Yeah,
Yeah.
we can enter CFP9.
Anything you can enter, no problem. Just I'm asking question, that's it.
Yeah.
Save here. Because
Yeah,
the
but
same
if
default configuration we copied. We gave the
yeah,
rename.
but the other guy, I mean, so when you get the screen, so other guy also entered the 1000 with the Cherry Foods Private Limited, right? So if I just entered the 1000, why can't it display the other company name? Like,
I didn't get you what you're saying.
so what I'm saying is, so now you assign 1000 in CFP9, right? I mean, we copied and then
See,
yeah, we
one triple
copied and
zero
changed that
and
number.
100 and 001. Those are the standard codes.
Oh, okay.
This is default codes.
Okay.
I means to say the technical team, when they are creating the field status variant, they given these
Mm-hmm.
T codes to save the data, either 001 or 1000.
Okay.
So based on that, we copied just for our customization part, we gave a rename. That's it. We are not changing any
Yeah,
configuration.
we gave a rename from 1000 to CFP9, right?
Yes, exactly. Now here, what is your
So,
doubt?
so here is when we at the Chetan, I mean when at the column which we are right now, we just
Hmm.
enter CFP9, right? So if
That's
we
it.
enter if we enter 1000, it may come or it may not. It may come, right? Or it won't come.
Either you can enter 1000 also, nothing will happen.
Yeah, so yeah, the thing is, so either we can enter 1000, but I am asking like, so the guy who enter 1000, the other guy who entered here 1000 Cherry Foods Private Limited, right?
Okay.
So if I enter 1000, how
Hmm.
can be sure that it will display my name? Because the 1000 is also taken by some other guy, right? So that's my doubt.
See, here you are seeing number of company codes, number of students, they did this. But in
Okay.
real time, we are assigning only 1000. We are not assigning anything.
Oh, okay.
Because the students they are entered 1000 and someone has assigned CL00, they renamed it.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Even though
They,
this code, if any one person is assigning, nothing will happen to us, nothing will
mhm.
happen to him also.
Yeah, okay.
So the basic configuration anyone can use because it's a demo system.
Oh, yeah.
But in real time, it won't happen like this. Only one code we
Oh,
are following.
okay.
Only one code we are following. That's it.
Yeah, okay.
So even though see, just now I saved with CFP9, I can remove it and I can enter
Yeah.
100, then I can save. Nothing
Mm.
will happen. See, the data was saved.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay.
For your better understand purpose, how it is renamed, I have explained here.
Yeah, I understand that.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah, okay, got it.
Right. So now here we are successfully completed the field status field. I was not created anything. The 1000
Mm.
code I assigned to my company.
Yeah, sure.
So once I assign to my company code, automatically what are the configurations is available with 1000, it will come to in our company code. Now, actually, let us see what is the configurations is available in S100. What is the configurations is available? We will see. Select this. Go with the groups. See, almost 50 entries. Now, these 50 entries I am not creating.
Yeah, okay.
So when I am creating the GLs in front end, for which GL, which group we need to assign, we can check it in real time or when we are doing the GL creation. Like for example, if I am creating HDFC bank account, I will assign bank accounts here in front end.
Okay.
So if I am creating any sundry data or sundry creator, I will assign reconciliation account. So the reconciliation account code here we have G069, I will assign.
Got it. Okay.
So when I'm creating the capital account is one of the client fund. So I will go with the Z fund. This is the code I will assign in front end while I'm creating the GLs.
Okay.
So that is the usage of the field status view.
Got it.
So that's why we are not creating all this program. The program, it is a default. It means it's default means it's nothing but the technical team, they was created this.
Okay.
So that's why we are using very easy. And moreover, if we are doing some controlling part or inventory management, so if I'm created any material, so I will assign the material account. So here you can see the plant maintenance, it is available, accounts down payments is available, revenue accounts is available, cost accounts is available. So each and everything, what are the ledgers, I mean, GLs I'm creating, I will assign this. Then only system will understand this account we did.
Okay.
See, if I created the materials, I will assign material account.
Yes.
So that is the usage of the field status variant.
Okay.
So now this field status variant in a backend we are calling it as a field status variant, but is in front end we are calling it as a field status.
Okay.
The backend we are calling it as a field status variant. In front end it will call as a field status group.
No, field status group. Okay.
Yes. So here, if you want to open another screen, just like a new window, create new session here. Now I will show you in FS00. If I am creating the GL, like asset I am creating, Axis Bank I am creating, go with this. Here we have a create bank interest. So this field status group, where it is available, here we have field status group.
Okay, yeah.
So now what I'm doing when I'm creating the Axis Bank, I'm assigning bank accounts. From where I got, once I assign 1000 to my company code, then only I'm getting these configurations.
Yes.
Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
So in the back end, we are calling it the field status variant. But when it come back to the front end, it is called as a field status group. Both are same.
Okay.
Are you seeing the screen? Here, field status
Yeah,
variant.
I'm
Here,
scrolling.
field status
Yeah.
group. So
Yeah,
once you assign it 1000, it will appearing automatically in your company code. Then only you can create the GLs.
Okay.
Otherwise, you cannot create the GLs.
Got it.
So that is the helpful for the field status variant. So in upcoming scenarios, you will see how it is created. So just now we are in LKG. For creating of those GLs, we want to go for fixed standard.
Okay.
This much of variations is available. So the field status variant, and we are assigned to the company code. This is completed.
Okay.
Now the next one, fiscal year and posting periods. So when we are come back to the fiscal year variant, again we have a default. Just like one is V3, another one is K4.
Okay.
So what is V3? The V3 here we are following the fiscal year, just like what it will be April to March.
Okay.
Now the K4, some company code, some countries they are following calendar year, that is Jan to December.
Okay.
It means based on the company flexibility. If the company is following the calendar year, you can assign K4 to your company code, the simple format.
Got it.
Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
So if your company is following April to March, you can go with the V3.
Oh, okay.
It's a default. If you want to create, I mean to say, if you want to create your new fiscal year, just like you can take any two digits, then you can make your own fiscal year, just like it started from June, it will be ended in December. You can create it. This is customization.
Oh, okay.
This is customization. But V3K4 is a default.
Oh, okay. So the KL is the customization. Okay.
The K4, the KL is a customization. You can take any 2 digits. Just example, I gave KL.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Even though you can create M1, M2, K1, K2, that is your own choice.
Okay.
But don't create V3K4 because we
Yeah.
already have it.
Yes.
So the system automatically, it is giving the default configuration V3K4 based on the company code. I mean to say the company on which environment it is going, like calendar year it is going or fiscal year it is going, we can assign this one.
Okay.
But even though in a fiscal year variant, we have a customization is available.
Okay. Yeah. In the fiscal. Yeah. Got it.
So let's continue the year, fiscal year and posting periods. First we are doing fiscal year, then we will come back to the posting periods. So
Okay.
maintain fiscal year variant. So take position, V3, select this, go with the periods. See, everything is ready.
Yeah.
If you want to do customization, you can do it. We will go for the new entries and we can do it.
Okay.
So in January, we have 31 days. In February, we have 28 days. March, 31 days. This is a calendar. Now this calendar
Yeah.
year, we are converting to our fiscal year. Like April is the first period. May is the
Okay.
second period.
Second
June is
period.
the third period. This is the way we did. I mean, stress system did default.
Yeah. Mhm.
So simply what I'm doing, I'm assigning to my company code. So either you can assign V3 or K4 when based on the company.
Yeah. Got it.
If the company is following the business transactions just like Jan to December, you can assign K4 directly. There is no any confusions.
Okay.
If the company is maintaining the business transactions like April to March, it's a one of the fiscal year, you can assign with simple
Mm.
position. So we have V3. So what is V3? April to March. Save this.
Okay.
Now this April, May, June, July, we are calling as a periods.
Mm-hmm.
Like a first period, second period. This is the terminology we are using in SAP. For example, we are in January. On which period we are?
So January in
April is the first period.
the
Based on that,
April is
we
the
can
first
count it.
period. Okay. So B3 K4, right? So K4.
Sorry.
So you are saying about the period, right? So it's been like 9, 10, 9.
You can
No.
count properly.
So March,
January, which
April,
period?
January is 9, 10, 10,
Count from
11,
April.
12. So April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January 10.
So in real
Yeah.
time, we are not calling it is a January. We are calling it is a 10th period. This is the terminology we are using.
Yes. Okay.
So there is not required month names. It's required periods.
Okay.
Just we are going with the flow. If I am saying third period means what is the month?
July.
Wrong. Third period.
April, May, June.
June is the third period.
Yeah.
So that's why you need to remember all this.
Yeah, got it.
Because in real time, what happened, if the senior is asking, are you posted the fourth period entries? What do you mean by fourth period entries?
Yeah. For,
It
I
is
mean,
July month.
July. Yeah.
So are you posted quarter one TDS? What is quarter one TDS?
Quarter 1 is April, right?
April, May, June is the quarter one.
Okay.
So the quarter one is reflected to 3 periods.
Oh, quarter 1 is reflected to 3 periods. Okay.
So that is the terminology we are using.
Okay.
So we don't want to say it is a month. We don't want to pronounce April, June. We are pronouncing only period.
Okay.
That's why we are using the standard terminology and we are using the international standard terminology in SAP here itself.
Got it.
So from here onwards, just you can forget the months, just you can remember only periods.
Okay.
Just like first period means April, based on company fiscal year.
Yeah, got it.
Based
Depend
on the
on
company fiscal year, not our own. How the company is
Yes.
following. Either company is following the calendar year, as usually, first period is January, second period is February, if it is following.
Got it.
If the company is following April to March, April is the first period. That is the difference. So I assign to my company code V3. Now next, define posting periods variant. So here we need to create one variant just like CFP9. Now I will assign to my company code. So why we are doing the posting periods variant, we will see. Let us create first. Here posting periods, expand it. Now define variants for posting periods. Take new entries, CFP9, write down variant for CFP9, press enter button, click on save. So what I was created the CFP9 variant, we are assigning to our company code. Assign variant to company code, take position, CFP9. Now what we have, that is also CFP9. Save this. So why we did the variant? Here what happened, here we have a open and closing posting periods. So what I said, what is opening period we have?
Opening period is April, March, right?
Very good, very good. April is the opening period. What is the closing period?
Okay. March.
That's it. Now, along with this open and closing posting periods, we are mentioning the fiscal year. It means April is the first period. It is in 2024. March is the 12th period. It is in 2025.
Yes.
So this configuration we are giving under open and closing posting periods along with the account types. So what are the
Okay.
account types is available in this SAP? We have A stands for asset. Then D stands for customer. And K stands for vendor. And S stands for GL account, general ledger. And here we have M stands for material, V stands for contracts, and plus stands for valid all account.
Okay.
Now, in these account types, except of material and contracts, we are not picking because these are not our configurations. So that's why we are not taking this.
Okay.
The remaining we can take along with the posting periods. That is the concept we are doing. So that's why we created the variant. Are you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Right. Assign variant to company code here. So I think this is we did. We will go for open and closing posting periods. Make new entries. So what is the variant I was created?
So CFP9, right?
Right, exactly. There is no any confusion. Without getting of any confusions, each and everything I am creating unique code, that is company code.
Okay.
So once you remember the company code, you can go with the flow. Directly can say it is a CFP9.
Yeah, okay.
That is the comfort zone I am creating here.
Yeah.
That is the comfort zone I am creating. So I am not creating any new codes like 1, 2, 3, 4, J1, 2, 3. This type of I am not doing here.
Yeah, okay.
What is the company code I did? The same, I am maintaining the same code wherever it is required. In these scenarios, what happened, we can easily understand.
Yeah.
Because we are doing some customization settings for our company code.
Got it.
So here we have account types. Let's see. A stands for asset, D stands for customer, K vendors,
Cash
GL
vendor,
accounts,
GL
material and
accounts,
contracts we are
material
not
and
taking.
account. Yes.
So first we are picking assets. From account to account is nothing but how many assets you are purchasing in the company. Now, will you say how many assets you will purchase in your company?
Yeah, depend. I mean,
It is
yeah,
not possible
yeah.
because we don't know exactly. For example, if you purchased one new building for yourself, you don't know how many assets is required in your new building.
Yes.
So, and every time, whenever you require, sometimes you are purchasing TV, sometimes you are purchasing AC, sometimes you are purchasing refrigerator. So, we don't have a limit.
Yes.
Based on our financial position, the assets is increasing.
Yes.
At the same time, our luxurious. So that's why here we will giving the infinity standard. The infinity standard, what we are following, it is a Z button. Now this Z you can enter for 4 times or 5 times. That is our comfort zone.
Okay.
For defining of the infinity.
Okay.
Are you getting my point?
Yeah, got it.
Now let's continue this scenario. Same period 1 2024, 12th period 2025 and EFP9. Next one D.
Yeah, okay.
Here D. Same Z. 4 times or 5 times. That is our comfort.
Okay.
Minimum 4.
Okay.
Maximum we can give 10 also.
Yeah, got it. Oh, okay. Minimum 4 to 10, right? Okay.
But between I am giving 5 sets. There is no minimum,
Yeah.
there is no maximum. For my
Okay.
configuration, I am giving like that.
Got it.
Because it's a customization. The Z is a customization.
Mm-hmm.
Either 4, either 5. Or you may go for 10 also, no problem. It will accept.
Okay.
CFP9. Here, yes. Why we are giving the Z means it is infinity. We don't know how many
Yeah.
assets we are purchasing, how many customers will come our company code, how many vendors we are entertaining to go for the business point of view. We don't know. So that's why we are giving Z.
Yes. Yeah, okay.
Showing the infinity standards. Now the last one we have plus button. So when we are applying the plus button, this plus button, why we are giving to activating the above account types. So whenever you are
Okay.
activating the above account types, here infinity standard is not required for plus button.
Okay.
So can enter the only fiscal year.
Got it.
Save this. So successfully here we are completed the open and closing posting periods along with the account types except of material and contracts we are not mentioned because this material is did by the middle management people. This contract will done by the sales people.
Okay.
But in real time, what happened, in implementation side, they will assign each and everything.
Okay.
In implementation side, when they are doing the starting settings, they will do everything.
Okay.
But we are knowing about what is the financial transactions, what is the material management transactions. We are defining that one. So that's why we are holding that one.
Got it.
Even though if you are entering the material and contracts, nothing will happen. But we know about the differences.
Yeah, got it.
So here, the next session, we are going to discuss about the document types. So max to max, today you will receive the recording. Today you will receive the
Servers.
credentials, server credentials. So
Mm-hmm.
you can do the practice here itself based on
Yeah.
the previous recording sessions. And
Mm-hmm.
whichever the doubts you are getting, you can write down immediately in your notebook. In tomorrow session,
Okay.
you can ask.
Yeah, sure.
So how our schedule, how it will be, if our session it is 7, it will start at means 7 to
Okay.
7 to 7:30 totally for my point of view. I mean to say, I will continue with my tasks and I will complete. So what is the
Okay.
remaining time we have? Now you can discuss about our doubts.
Okay.
So first 30 to 40 minutes. See, just example I'm taking. Not only 30
Yeah,
minutes,
got it.
50
Yeah,
to 40
okay.
minutes. Based on the topic, it will go for the long time. I mean to say,
Mhm.
it will be extended 740 hours. So
Yeah, sure.
I'm taking as a small time, like 7 to 7:30 as example. I will give the configurations first of all. Then, if you have the doubts, you can take the time. For the
Yeah,
remaining time,
sure.
that is your customization part. I mean to say, what are
Got
the
it.
doubts you have? Each and everything. Whenever you are getting, I mean to say, whenever you are doing a practice, you can write down the notes and what is the doubts you are getting and which topic you are getting. You can write down the notes first of all.
Okay.
Then only you have a comfort zone to ask any question.
Yes.
Because what happen, when we are doing the practice, we will get lot of doubts. But if we are not writing, how can you ask?
Yeah.
Maybe on the next day you will forget.
Yes.
So that's why what I'm telling you here, whenever you are doing the practice, you can maintain one notebook along with you and pen, and you can write down immediately wherever you are getting it down.
Okay.
Even though if you did the configuration, but why it is?
Yeah.
So in those situations, I will explain why it is required, for what purpose it is required. Then only you can understand why we are doing these configurations.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Right. So tomorrow we are going to the document types and you will receive the credentials at any cost to itself. Thank you.
Yeah,
Have a
sure.
nice day.
Yeah.
Take care.
Have a nice
Bye.
day. Yeah.